Beautiful day here in September, Cornwall, Ontario. Go over the 2024 JC Trailer 55-ton removable gooseneck float. Talk about features and benefits of these beautiful trailers. So we're Jeep ready, the pins. Got front fenders, keeps the load clean. We got 2-position kingpins. The versatility of the trailer, the weight bearing capacities. Got LED lighting. You have JC Trailers patent J-hook technology, making these trailers incredibly easy to pick up in uneven ground. D-rings down the side, LED lighting. We put power packs on all our trailers so that any truck can pull this trailer and make it work. If you look down the 26-foot well, all hardwood, 16-inch main beams, in-floor toolbox, leads up to load-bearing rear fenders. Nice well there for your excavator booms. We go around the back. There's more to show you. Aluminum rims on the outside. Keeps it decent looking. Hendrickson air suspension. Rear spit axle. When empty, that axle will come up. Pin-on axle ready. Aluminum D-sign included with all the sales. Call for more details. Appreciate you watching.